Hello, in this JavaScript programming video, I am going to show you the for in loop. So if you haven't checked out the for loop video, I highly recommend that you take a look at that and then come back here. So welcome back if you took a break to have a look at the for loop video. Okay, so the for in loop, pretty similar, but it is useful if you have an object like this, for example, and you want to be able to loop over it, because normally if you want to access items of this object, do amazing object, I've got a separate section for objects covering all of this and several other different types of objects. Feel free to check that out. And to access it, we'll do something like A, where A is the key, 1 is the value. We get 1. If I do C, for example, I get 3. Okay, that's pretty simple. But imagine if there was 100 of these in here. You don't know what the keys are necessarily. This is where a for in loop really comes into play, and you could do whatever you want with it. You could loop over some data, put in a database. Maybe it's something you got from a database, whatever. I'm simply going to print it out to the console. So you put the keyword for, open close bracket. The difference here, instead of putting 3 parts as you would with a normal for loop, you put var, and let's call this item in amazing object. Okay, so what this is essentially doing is getting every single item one by one from this object. So this is saying for every item, this is what we're creating in amazing object. Now it should be console.log, and all we have to do is do amazing object item, save that, reload. As you can see, it prints it all out. Let's have a look at what item actually is. So we'll print out item. We'll also print out a colon between it so you can see the difference. So item is simply the key, it just gets the key. So if I change this to my name, so Farhan, for example, reload, this is dynamic and it updates. It doesn't matter how long this object is, it doesn't matter the names of the keys of the object, it just works. So that's it for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message. Feel free to take a look at the GitHub link as well. And as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.